As you are seeing the trees and stones and pebbles here, Sayyidina Mu'adh ibn Jabal radiallahu anhu, when he was going towards Yemen as a governor appointed by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him some last words of advice and wisdom, and one of them is that he said, Mu'adh, whenever you pass a tree or a stone, remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now in that there are many lessons, great wisdom for us. Normally what happens is that we become heedless or forgetful when we see creation, when we see trees, stones, other things, worldly matters. But here Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is indicating towards a great reality which the Quran mentioned. يُسَبِّحُ لِلَّهِ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ, that whatever is in the heavens and earth glorifies, is doing the tasbih and remembrance of Allah Jalla Majduh. Meaning that these trees which you are seeing, the stones of the way, mountains, they are also in tasbih. So whenever I see a tree, so instead of just saying, oh how beautiful it is and okay, it's giving oxygen, this also should come in my mind that this creation is doing the dhikr of Allah. If this tree is doing the dhikr of Allah, then why I should be in heedless and in ghafla? If this stone, as soon as you look at the stone, first thing comes, oh yeah, this stone is worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so I should also be in the remembrance of Allah Jalla Majduhu. Moreover, in Surah Zilzal, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Jalla Majduhu says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها. There's indication there that this earth is recording, this land, this ground, this tree, the mountains are recording the amal. It's like secret cameras, secret audio devices has been fit in these things. So they are looking, they are recording, they are conscious of remembrance of Allah, and they are also conscious of what we are doing. So wherever you are, firstly you should know that Allah is with you, seeing you, but you should also know that angels are seeing you as well. There are two angels and many others. Even jinnat are watching you, even shayateen are watching you. Moreover, the creation around you, the trees, the mountains, they are also conscious of that. This will make you more conscious, more present in the moment, because there's so much going on. So when a person have this consciousness that Allah is seeing me, the Prophet ﷺ will be aware of my amal. Amal are presented to him, and he will, the mushahidah, the angels will witness, the earth will, the trees, all these things are going to witness. Again, stored in my favor, and now they are watching. So this will create a kind of modesty, a kind of responsibility and consciousness that will become a deterrent and a barrier towards ghafla and bad activities, sinful activities. So much so that also Sayyidina Imam Abdul Wahhab al-Sharani al-Shazili rahimahullah ta'ala said that the tree, like it's mentioned in the hadith and the Quran, that we see conscious, that when a friend of Allah, a believer, is coming, the tree becomes happy. The tree becomes happy and it wants that person to actually eat its fruit, stand or sit under its shade. The tree is happy. The water is happy. The mountain is happy. So much so that once on a mountain, Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was standing and with happiness and pleasure, that what a great personality standing upon the mountain. As though began to move, Rasulullah said, on you there is a prophet, a Siddiq, and Shaheed on you. So, and he alayhi salatu wasalam mentioned that the mountain of Uhud loves me and I love Uhud. So this wisdom, this few words of advice which the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave Sayyidina Mu'adh ibn Jabal radiyallahu anhu. There are many lessons we can grow and we can learn practically. So now even if we are walking, seeing the grass, the trees, others, a person should be conscious that they are also conscious and recording, and angels and Allah. This will improve a person's Iman and a person's Amal as such. As in one of the hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Inna afdal al-Iman an ta'lam anna Allah ma'ak haythuma kunt." That the highest level, the best level of Iman, meaning when the Iman is at the peak, at the best level, is when wherever you are, you're conscious that Allah is with you. When this thought is constant, it's continuing, and it's in your mind and heart, at that time, the ocean of Iman actually is at its peak and climax and is going higher and higher.